clap. With winter approaching, not only does it mean we have to wrap our bikes up and we can't go out as much as we normally want to, it also means that we need to keep an eye on our batteries and make sure that they are kept at an optimum level throughout that horrible winter period. Now, we are going to give you 3 ways on how you can look after your bike for the Gen 1, Gen 2 and the Gen 3 platform, as well as a little hack if you don't want to have to take the seat off to keep your battery charged. Option 1 for charging is the DIN socket option. Now, if you have a Gen 1 or Gen 2, you'll see that you have a DIN socket on the left-hand side of the bike. The DIN socket utilizes the Optimate plug, which just goes straight into here like this, nice and convenient. And if you've had BMWs in the past, you will see that they are familiar across the BMW range. On the Gen 3 model, BMW did not include a DIN socket. Instead, they fitted a USB charging point. Wunderlich offer a DIN socket attachment, which we'll leave a link for in the description, which you can fit at the front of the bike by the frame here, which then utilizes the power source from the USB socket, piggybacks on that, and then you can then just plug it in as per normal using the DIN socket attachment in the Optimate box. So that's the DIN socket bit done with. I'm going to put that to one side. The next 2 bits involve the crocodile clip attachments in your Optimate box. The negative terminal goes onto the right hand side of the engine where you'll find that there's a stainless steel peg. That negative terminal goes on that stainless steel peg for both of these tips. But you can use the positive either under the seat, which we can leave a link for in the description on how to do that, or you can use our little hack on how to put this positive crocodile onto the starter motor. This is a Gen 3 Urban GS. I've already taken off the side cover. There is a T25 bolt at the back here, and then you then have a rubber grommet at the bottom and a metal sort of clip at the top. Take that off, put that to one side, and you'll see that that has exposed the starter motor, or mostly the back of the starter motor. At the back of the starter motor, there is a black plastic clip. You want to use a small screwdriver just to pop that black plastic clip off. That will expose the terminal at the back of the starter motor. Once that has been taken off, you can then sneak the red crocodile clip whilst it's still connected to the stainless steel peg on the right hand side of the engine on to the back of the starter motor. Make sure you've got a nice positive connection and make sure that your Optimate is showing that the polarity is correct and it does have a good connection, because it will light up and start doing a battery test. You won't need to take the seat off, and you know that your battery is going to be kept at optimum condition all the time you're not riding it during the horrible winter weather. Both of these parts are available on the website. There will be a link in the description for both of those.